There are programs that we partner with, which is North Country Housing Council, and they offer the first-time homebuyer class. And what that is if you're income eligible, you can go take their course, get a certificate of completion, and that grant money that you're awarded will cover the 20% required down payment and some of your upfront closing costs. Typically, the cost of taking the first-time homebuyers class is $40 a person or $60 a couple. The first-time homebuyer class is a mandatory 8-hour period, which is broken up into 2 4-hour sessions, usually 2 days. It's a very relaxed, laid-back atmosphere, very informative, enjoyable, and fun. To be eligible for the first-time homebuyer grant money, it's based off your income and the number of people living in the household. There is a time limit on the completion of the homebuyers class. Your income approval is only good for 6 months. After that, they would have to re-look at your income to make sure you're still eligible for the program through pay stubs, etc. And the certificate of completion on the homebuyers course itself is good for 2 years. The first-time homebuyer grant does have some restrictions on the type of homes that you can buy. They do not allow homes with more than 2 acres, homes with in-ground pools, waterfront homes, manufactured homes, and that would include single-wide and double-wide homes. And there is a restriction on the amount of the purchase price, which it cannot exceed $80,000. The first-time homebuyer program requires you to live in the house for a 10-year term, and you would not be required to pay any of that grant money back. However, if you sold the house before that 10-year term, you would have to pay a portion of that grant money back, and that number is determined by the number of years you lived in the home. We offer a rate discount on your mortgage loan, where in some cases a lot of the financial institutions do not offer that.